Hey guys, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital ICT math type of a question in the topic of survey statistics. Let's dive into it. A teacher conducted a study to measure the effectiveness of group projects in improving student performance. She selected 25 students from her class to participate. After a semester, the participating students showed better grades. What is the largest group to which the results can be generalized? Alright. Now, before we solve this, we're gonna understand the context first. I always say that because if you look at the choices now, they all make kind of sense, to me at least. So you want to understand the context and what it is asking us to do, rather than looking at the choices and guess. So what you're gonna do is find key points. The first key point is the 25 students that were selected. After a semester, the participants show better grades. You can also mark that if you want to, but that is not really relevant if they showed better grades or not. I don't really care if they did or not. And then specifically from her class, that is also important. And largest group, that is from the question, what is the largest group? From her class. I'm gonna write that down right here. Not from anywhere else. So that means if they say from her class, then there's no way that one of the choices is gonna be from a different school, from a company, or from a different university, just from her class. Okay. And then a largest group means you have to choose something broad. That means more than 25. I'm assuming she has more than 25 students in her class because she selected those. So that means her whole class should have better grades. Is most likely. Not everyone's gonna have better grades because everyone's different, but we assume that because they said what is the largest group. So we're gonna see the choices and work through it together. The 25 students in the study, as I said, that cannot be because they were selected and they show better grades already, so it doesn't really make sense to choose that. B says all students in the teacher's class, as I highlighted for y'all, that does really plug in, right? From teacher's specific class and all students, because the 25 students represent the whole class, so everyone is most likely gonna improve the grades. Hopefully not everyone, obviously, that everyone's different, as I said, but most of the students are going to improve, so that looks good to me. C says all students in the school, as I said, they only said from her class, not in a school or something, so only focus on her class and not a school or something. And then this says all students who participate in group projects. That is too less evidence, like we cannot know that is too broad, so these also eliminated, so the only reasonable choice is B. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.